The aircraft carrier is often considered the ultimate symbol of naval power, a floating fortress capable of projecting military force across vast distances. But what truly makes the aircraft carrier battle group so formidable is not just the size of the ships or the aircraft they carry. It's the way these ships operate together in a highly synchronized, coordinated strategy that allows the U.S. Navy to break through enemy defenses and maintain dominance over the world's oceans. The concept behind the aircraft carrier battle group is simple yet powerful. An aircraft carrier alone is already a highly capable asset, equipped with advanced fighter jets, bombers, and missile defense systems. But when you add the supporting vessels, such as destroyers, cruisers, submarines, and supply ships, you create a force capable of air superiority, land strikes, defense against missile attacks, and the flexibility to maintain a presence anywhere in the world, at any time. The core of the battle group is the aircraft carrier itself, a ship that is much more than just a floating airstrip. These nuclear-powered giants are the command centers of naval operations, capable of launching and recovering aircraft, providing intelligence through their onboard radar systems, and leading the charge in a variety of military missions. What makes the aircraft carrier so special is not just its sheer firepower, but its mobility, able to sail into a region and establish air superiority in an instant without relying on foreign bases or host nations. The accompanying ships in the battle group act as its shield and sword, providing defense, offense, and logistical support. The destroyers and cruisers are the backbone of the group's defensive capabilities, equipped with cutting-edge missile defense systems and radar technology designed to detect and intercept incoming threats from the air, sea, and even space. These ships ensure the aircraft carrier can operate freely and securely, without the constant threat of being attacked by enemy aircraft, missiles, or even submarines. With the right combination of electronic warfare and defensive weaponry, the supporting ships in the battle group allow the carrier to remain the central hub of operations. The submarines in the group serve a slightly different function. While the surface ships and aircraft focus on conventional warfare, submarines provide stealth and surprise, allowing the U.S. Navy to track enemy ships and submarines without being detected. These submarines can also launch missile strikes from beneath the waves, providing another layer of firepower and defense. Their ability to operate unnoticed gives the battle group a powerful edge in both intelligence gathering and offensive strikes, making them a crucial element in ensuring that the enemy is never able to gain the upper hand. While the aircraft carrier leads the charge, it's the integration of all the ships in the battle group that makes them so effective. The coordination of the group's assets is what allows the U.S. Navy to break through enemy defenses and attack with pinpoint precision. For example, when launching an attack on enemy air defenses or critical infrastructure, the aircraft carrier's aircraft provide the initial strike while the surface ships defend against enemy retaliation. If the enemy launches a counterattack, the submarines provide critical intelligence, ensuring that the battle group can stay one step ahead of its adversaries. One of the key strategies of the carrier strike group is its ability to sustain long-term operations without needing to return to port for resupply. The supply ships in the group ensure that the carrier can remain operational for extended periods, providing fuel, ammunition, and food to the entire fleet. This capability allows the U.S. Navy to conduct extended campaigns far from home, projecting power in regions where U.S. military presence is limited or non-existent. This is why the carrier strike group is often seen as the U.S. Navy's most important strategic asset. It gives America the ability to respond to threats anywhere in the world at a moment's notice. The strength of the aircraft carrier battle group lies not just in its offensive power, but in its ability to counter enemy threats before they even reach U.S. forces. By maintaining a continuous air superiority over enemy forces, the battle group can effectively neutralize enemy aircraft, missiles, and surface ships before they can even get close enough to pose a serious threat. With the help of advanced radar, surveillance technologies, and electronic warfare systems, the aircraft carrier battle group can see and strike first, maintaining a decisive advantage in any conflict. In addition to its military capabilities, the presence of an aircraft carrier battle group is also a political tool. These ships can serve as a deterrent, signaling to potential adversaries that the U.S. is capable and ready to defend its interests. The sight of a U.S. aircraft carrier arriving in a tense region sends a clear message. America is watching, and it is prepared to act if necessary. The Carrier Strike Group provides an unmatched ability to project power, not just in combat, but also in peacekeeping operations, humanitarian missions, and strategic diplomacy. As the world evolves and new threats emerge, the Aircraft Carrier Battle Group remains at the forefront of U.S. naval strategy. It is constantly evolving, with new ships, aircraft, and technologies being integrated to keep the group at the cutting edge of naval warfare. With newer Ford-class carriers set to replace the aging Nimitz-class, the U.S. Navy is investing in even more advanced technology, ensuring that its carrier strike groups continue to maintain their dominance on the world's oceans. The ability of the Aircraft Carrier Battle Group to break enemy lines is what has made it such a powerful tool in the U.S. Navy's arsenal. By combining air superiority, advanced technology, and seamless cooperation between its various components, the Carrier Strike Group remains the pinnacle of naval warfare, capable of projecting force, ensuring control of the seas, and breaking through even the most formidable defenses,